Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a business account. First, open Google Chrome or Safari and search for Business Account. From the results, tap on the correct option and it will redirect you to the sign-up page. On this page, you'll see a Join Now button. Tap on that. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu. Once that's done, you'll be asked to choose your legal business type. Tap on the drop-down menu, review the options, and select the one that applies to you. For this example, I'll choose Public Limited Company. Then tap Continue. Next, it will ask for your email address. You can sign in with Google or Apple. After entering your email, you'll be asked for your phone number. Type in your number and tap Continue. A 6-digit code will be sent to your mobile number. Enter that code, and once verified, you'll be prompted to create a password. Make sure your password is strong and meets the required criteria. After that, tap Continue. Since I already have a personal account in Revolut, the system automatically recognizes my details. Now, all you need to do is wait a couple of days for your business account to be verified and approved by the Revolut team. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.